Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking with Maryam Zafar, IoT Markets Analyst at ABI Research. Maryam will answer key questions about her latest report on structural health monitoring. Welcome, Maryam.
Hi, thank you for having me.
What is structural health monitoring?
So, structural health monitoring is the process in which the condition and performance of critical infrastructure, such as rail, bridges, mines, dams, and buildings, can be determined to ensure that it's safe for use and fit for purpose.
What's driving the interest in addressing the maintenance needs of aging critical infrastructure?
So, governments are increasingly recognizing the urgency in maintaining aging infrastructure, largely because of widespread safety concerns after incidents like the catastrophic Morandi Bridge collapse back in 2018. Incidents like these highlight the need for predictive maintenance strategies over reactive approaches.
How is the surge in extreme weather affecting aging infrastructure?
Extreme weather events linked to climate change are exposing vulnerabilities in already strained post-war infrastructure. This adds to the urgency in proactively addressing maintenance needs.
What's contributing to the expansion of the structural health monitoring market?
The structural health monitoring market is expanding due to a wider variety of sensor types, connectivity options, and crucially, the availability of more advanced data analytics platforms, which then enables more efficient real-time monitoring of infrastructure.
What growth do you forecast for structural health monitoring sensors?
ABI Research estimates that structural health monitoring sensors will reach 22.9 million connections by 2030, with a compound annual growth rate of 18% for wired retrofitted sensors and 28% for wireless sensors.
How are vendors adapting to facilitate easier integration of sensors for asset owners?
So vendors are investing in user-friendly, cost-effective sensor solutions, and also focusing on software and analytics platforms that allow infrastructure operators to extract meaningful information from the data gathered for more efficient predictive maintenance.
Where is innovation occurring within the structural health monitoring market?
Innovation is happening both on the hardware side with smaller data loggers and enhanced sensors, and on the software side with an emphasis on integrating artificial intelligence into the analytics platforms to improve the solution's predictive capabilities.
What industries stand to benefit most from the structural health monitoring technology?
Industries like rail, where demand is projected to double, benefit greatly from structural health monitoring. By digitizing infrastructure and monitoring critical areas, rail operators can predict failures and implement efficient maintenance strategies to prevent future delays.
How can technology vendors better position themselves in the structural health monitoring market?
Vendors should seize new technology opportunities, educate markets about their solutions, and adapt their positioning to target the diverse markets within the structural health monitoring ecosystem for greater penetration.
Thanks so much, Maryam. For a deeper dive into our full AN 5890 application and analysis report, IoT solutions for structural health monitoring in critical infrastructure, visit abiresearch.com.